Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure with what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green line, and then more specifically and more importantly, that orange line is coming from. And I, turn our attention to that orange line because that was the resistance portion going into today. And you can see early on in the day, the price got the breakout of the trend line, and since then has just continued to work its way further. So in technical jargon, the chart is currently under a trend line breakout, and now going forward, it's just a question of can the price continue to get continuation from the breakout. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these lines down here. They serve their purpose for now. But really, like I said, the question, and even this line has served its purpose. The breakout has happened. But now the question, like I said, is, does this breakout have true power? Is this the start of something bigger? And really the most straightforward to watch and kind of answer that question going forward is to simply observe that purple line there, which is the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So as next week plays out, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. And the easiest way to judge the health of the breakout, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the purple line itself moves higher and higher, then that breakout is fully in the bulls' favor, and the bulls are in full control of it. So that's a very streamlined way to just answer that more than logical, more than valid, and I would say a very smart question of wondering, all right, yeah, the breakout has happened, but is this the start of something bigger? Are the bulls truly behind the breakout? So let's see if the price can continue to make that progress. Again, progress being defined now as staying up above that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Now, as far as the next overarching level of resistance is concerned, going into next week, nothing fancy or complicated here. So let's get this to red for resistance. That key battleground sits right up there from the highs from a few days ago, which sits around $8.85. So $8.85, next key battleground going forward. But all in all, the trend line break has happened. So let's see if the price can get that much more continuation next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.